Now this is part B of Lab 4. In this part you use the value of the specific heat capacity of glass, and you can use the correct value from the standards laboratory tables that you find in Giancoli. We're going to find the specific heat capacity of methylated spirits, which is here. We're going to need the digital scale, which we used in the previous part of the lab. Then we're going to need the calorimeter with its two parts, and we're going to need the heating stand with two marbles. Now we know the specific heat capacity of the marbles, so we're going to use that value in finding the specific heat capacity of the methylated spirits. To begin, you need to find the mass of the empty calorimeter. So switch on the microbalance and tell it that there's nothing on the pan. Right, so we've got 0. Now we'll put on Now we need some methylated spirits. That goes into the calorimeter. That's about enough. And what's the mass of the calorimeter and the methylated spirits? Well, we've got to switch this on and tell it that there's nothing on the pan. And put the methylated spirits and the calorimeter on the pan. The next thing to do is to find the temperature, the initial temperature of the methylated spirits. So in goes the thermometer, and give it a little while to settle down. Try and zoom in and see if we can get that. We'll the balance, switch it on, tell it there's nothing on the pan. There we go. Now those marbles, well, we'll go with whatever measurement we get. And you've got to put energy into methylated spirits, and it's going to be done with this. There's water in here, as before, and 2 marbles. I've probably put in a bit too much water there, so I'm going to have trouble when this starts to boil. This little Radmast pipette will be rather useful for getting some of that water out. Now we've got to see what temperature we've got up to with our boiling water. What's the temperature we get to here? Now we've got to get those hot marbles into the nets. There's a just the marbles. In it goes. Get it in quickly. Swirl it around.